Welcome to this week's Mortgage Market at a Glance for the week of June 10th, 2024. Thank you for stopping by. So, this past week in the bond market, we saw some interesting moves. It seemed like there was a bit of a bias to focus on data that would keep interest rates low. But all that changed with Friday's jobs report. Starting off the week, Monday's big report was the manufacturing PMI from ISM. It wasn't a huge surprise, just a bit weaker than expected. But the bond market acted like it was a big win, with yields dropping faster than we've seen in weeks. You might wonder why such a small change caused such a big reaction. Well, it could be a mix of leftover momentum from the previous Friday's positive reaction to the PCE inflation data and some quirky factors related to the new month. Tuesday brought lower job opening numbers, which was good for rates. But the real test for bonds came on Wednesday with the services PMI data. This one usually gets more attention, and it came in much higher than expected, which isn't great for rates. When the numbers came out, bond yields spiked, but then they surprisingly recovered. It seemed like the market was still clinging to that bias to focus on the rate-friendly news. Then came Friday with the big one, the Nonfarm Payrolls report. This is one of the most important jobs reports out there, and it came in way higher than expected with 272,000 jobs added versus the forecast of 185,000. This jump was significant enough that the bond market couldn't ignore it. Let's wait and see if this number gets revised, and I'm sure that it will. But for now, these are the numbers we are being told. With that, mortgage rates finally had a reason to move higher. But there's a silver lining. Even though rates jumped on Friday, they're still not back to the previous week's highs or the higher highs we saw at the end of April. Now looking ahead, this Tuesday is a big day with the Consumer Price Index, CPI report. It's the most influential economic report each month. Then on Wednesday, we'll get the updated dot plot from the Federal Reserve showing each Fed member's rate projections. So stay tuned. This week could bring some more interesting moves in the market. Now, if you'd like to know more, reach out to me. I'd like to meet you. Thanks for watching. And if you're looking to purchase or refinance a home in Arizona or Texas, I'd like to be your broker of choice. Until next time, take care and stay safe.